The device in my hand is GoPro Hero 9, and in this video we are showing how to power on or power off. So you can see that this is the mode button, and if you press this for few seconds, around 3 seconds, then you can see that if you press this mode button, this is the mode button. If you press this switch, then you can see that our GoPro Hero 9 is switched off now. Again, if you want to turn it on, you must press this switch once again. So now you can see that our GoPro Hero 9 is turned on now. So once again repeat this. So if you want to power off, you must hold this button for a few seconds. If you press this mode button for few seconds like this, then you can see that the device is powering off now. And if you want to turn it on, you must simply press the switch once again like this. Hope this video helps you. For more video updates, subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.